There are three delicious methods. How many? Three delicious methods to kill a child. And trust me, it's a very pleasurable method to do this process. Step number one, take more than what you can eat in your plate. Step number two, keep on eating till you feel that nothing can go in more. Step number three, the leftover food, throw it in the dustbin. Good afternoon, dear guests at Toastmasters. I'm just talking about one single country for now. In US alone, if you take the entire year's food, the amount they throw off, nearly 2 billion people can have a decent lunch. When I was in my final year, that's the year of 2014, the last time I'm going to celebrate my birthday in college, it had to be a grand one. So we all decided, let's go to one of the best restaurants slash hotels slash bomb possible. Let's go to Ritz-Carlton. And for those who have been there, you surely know you don't get food there, you get bombs. So after going there, my friend surprised me in the evening with an amazing, delicious Ferrero Rocher chocolate cake. There were rats in my stomach, but I was health cautious, and so were my friends. So in the end of the cake cutting, the cumulative amount of cake eaten was only 1/10 the entire thing. After that, we big fellows decided, let's test our wallet's capacity. 7 of us ordered 7 bombs. And after the dinner got over, minimum 2 other people could have a grand dinner after that. And what to do? Threw the food, packed the cake, and we're walking down towards the parking lot. And while going down, the debate was, who is going to take the cake box home? It's not going to be me. And so said my 6 other friends. And by the time we reached the parking near the vehicle, one friend decided and said, dude, I'll take the cake. From my past experiences, the cake will go into the refrigerator, count maximum 4 days time, back in the dustbin, cold this time. So no difference. So I decided, I'm not giving it to you. And by then, a small child comes towards us, and it's late at night, around 11 o'clock, and tells us, do you have anything to give me for food? We're looking at him, he's an African. And I had a big box of cake. Why not? I told him to take the entire box. But no, he didn't take the box. He was like, give me one small piece of it. So finding a knife which is impossible, we cut the cake with our fingers and gave him a small piece of it. After tasting it and seeing similar facial expressions of the chocolate delicious cake, he asked me, can I have another small piece of it? Confused-minded, I gave him another small piece. And after that, munching it tastily and smacking his lips, he tells me, can I have one more piece of it? I really felt like saying, dude, take the entire thing off. But when I said that in a decent, polite manner, he's like, no, I don't want the box. The third piece is for my sister sitting in the other side of the road selling flowers at this point of time. The second piece was for me as a partner of greed. I liked the cake way too much. And the first piece was for my hunger. I and all of us stood confused looking at him. And finally I asked him, are you taking the box? Take it home. Keep it. Eat tomorrow. You still have a food issue. He shows me his backpack and tells me, this is my house. It has a small area inside to keep the most important stuff. And the rest is my pillow. I sleep on it and I carry it. It's a mobile house. Again confused-minded, I didn't know what to do. And I asked him, what do you want? Like, give me a big piece this time. And I gave it to him. And he gladly took it to his sister and went off. I still had the remaining piece with me. And I was wondering, this guy, who is not supposed to be the educated part of a society, knows much more than all of us in reality. That day, since morning till the night, I was trying to look out for the best gift possible. And I think like a topping of ice on a cake, at night, I got the best gift, a realization. If we guys can start saving the food we waste, let's say only we guys, don't you think the number of child dying tomorrow, maybe from some angle, reduced by 1, maybe by 2, some angle? I won't say let's preach others. What I'll say is preach yourself. Let's say I from today stop wasting food or stop eating more out of greed, even if I go to Absolute Barbecue Nation and pay 600 rupees for a lunch. Eat what you can and leave the rest. If we can do this, I'm sure another child will see the next sun morning. So I have taken a resolution. The challenge of the question is, are you guys ready to take this challenge up? Over to you.